Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in mood, not action. Walk the space and pick 3 empty spots that feel familiar yet strange. Then set your lens to 24-35 mm for immersive framing. Once done, mount a tripod or gimbal to avoid jitter, and choose 24-30 frames per second so motion feels cinematic. Make sure exposure preserves small highlights while letting shadows fall. This contrast creates that liminal tension. Keep audio minimal or record room tone separately for later control. Next, focus on texture, light, and restrained motion. You should shoot slow push-ins and steady pans, add 1/2 speed B-roll to stretch moments. Once you have movement, place practical lights or soft gels to introduce mixed color temperature, because subtle color shifts deepen unease. Make sure to capture ambient room tone and 30 to 60 second silent takes for layering undercuts. As you shoot, vary distances and include reflective surfaces. These elements make transitions feel uncanny when you edit. Finally, edit to control pacing and emotional depth. You will assemble a 1 to 2 minute sequence that favors long holds with 3 to 6 second cuts. This breathing room is what defines liminal space. Once assembled, apply subtle reverb, low-frequency hums, and a gentle pitch shift to your ambient layer. Make sure to avoid rhythmic beats that break suspension. If things go wrong, check sync first, then reduce noise and regrade clips to keep consistent color tone. Minor tweaks fix most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.